Hello YouTube, this is a world-class T5 that I'm working on. I'm trying to make it look pretty. I had a bunch of broken gears inside, so I already spent a lot of money in this thing. But it's going to go into my daily driver 89 Mustang. I've built about 3 Mustangs, 3/4 of the way, and never got them into the street. So what I'm trying to do now is just work on the engine and transmission of this one to get it on the street, get it going. I already cleaned this with some detergent. Didn't come out too good at all. It's really cruddy inside and out. It had metal all inside. In that magnet right there, it was full of metal. There's the car, 89 Mustang GT. It's a piece of garbage, but it's my garbage. This is my first transmission I've ever built. I got this book from eBay. High Performance Manual Transmissions by this gentleman here, Paul Cangialosi. I don't want to mess up your name, Paul, but I've already watched some of your videos also on YouTube, and they're really good on how to rebuild T5s and many other transmissions. But this, I believe, is an idler gear. It's all chewed up completely. All this metal from the missing gear was sitting in the bottom of the case. What else was bad on this transmission? I tried to take third gear off with some pry bars, and I ended up, look at there, I'm not even on the gear itself, but I don't know if you can see it, but this gear has a chip in it. It's busted right there at the end. That was me. I did that, trying to get it off without pressing it off. I ended up using this Harbor Freight press for it and the Harbor Freight clamshell. That worked. I ordered this one from eBay, but it was too fat and the gears wouldn't fit inside. This one was a lot better. Put some 4x4s on the side and was able to press it out real easy. That was the easy part. Now, I ordered, like I said, this third gear. Ordered it because I broke it. Ordered, what else did I order? This guy. Ordered this guy, already got it. The cluster gear seems to be okay. I think that's what they call it, the cluster shaft or cluster gear. Like I said, it's my first transmission I've ever rebuilt. Done plenty of engines, but no transmissions. This is my first one. We'll see how it turns out. This is going to be the most boring video on YouTube, but that's okay. That dimmer switch is for my die grinder for when I port heads. It doesn't have to go as fast as the die grinder goes. Here's the pistons for it. They look to be in good shape. Number 8 was losing compression. Had 160 in all of them, except number 8. Number 8 I had 145, and I put some fluid in it, and it bumped it up to 160. So I decided, hey, might as well take them all off. I'm gonna take them off the pistons, the rods, and I'm gonna polish them. Get to take these off, polish the rods, polish the crank. I'm gonna take these weights off. There's plenty of videos on YouTube on how to do all this stuff. I'm just gonna put my experience, how I do it, and hopefully it turns out okay. The heads that the car came with are World Product Victor Jr. heads. They're a little bit better than the E7TE heads. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how this goes. I'll keep everybody updated. Have a good day.